Storm, aka Ororo Monroe, first appeared in Giant Size X-Men #1, 1975. Born to a tribal princess in Kenya, Ororo's mother was murdered during her childhood, and she became an orphan. She later discovered her mutant ability to control the weather. Ororo lived as a street thief in Cairo before being recruited by Professor Xavier to join the X-Men. She became one of the team's most powerful and influential members, often serving as their leader. Storm's ability to manipulate the weather, combined with her strong will and leadership, made her one of the most iconic superheroes in the Marvel Universe.